Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Public viewing locations will be set up and managed by the NYPD. Viewing will be available for spectators on elevated portions of the FDR Drive in Manhattan, with entry points at East 23rd, East 34th and East 42nd Streets.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Macy's 45th Annual 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular is back this year after being cancelled by the pandemic in 2020. The event will kick off Sunday at 8 p.m. with a televised star-studded 2-hour special on NBC featuring performances by Tori Kelly, Black Pumas, Coldplay, OneRepublic, Reba McEntire, and more.
Take our lead.
The 45th Annual Macy's 4th of July Fireworks will illuminate the Big Apple skyline with an electrifying light show full of bursting colors, jubilant music and a feeling of positivity. This year, we're honoring America's everyday heroes from communities across the country and the resilient spirit within us all.
Let's help you make your mark.
Macy's 4th of July celebration returned to its usual grand scale on the East River Sunday, July 4, 2021, after scaling back its spectacle last year due to COVID-19, the latest sign of normalcy returning to New York City.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.